Where's the shooter? I'm being shot at.
Oh, you got him!
Yes! We are headed to the Frisco Police Department. This is the first segment that we'll be filming for our police tech episode on Dumb Money. It's a technology company, a VR company. Do we want to do some kind of three-way call? Do you have a camera ready?
Yeah, hold on speakerphone basically.
Yeah. And that's what I want to hear from an actual police department. Hopefully Frisco can give us some insight into what is their budget, do they have discretionary spending, and how many companies are pitching the latest, greatest new police tech to them every single month. So we're actually going into the jail. They set up their VR system.
The left side right here is what's being seen in virtual reality. The right side right here is the operator screen.
Do me a favor, just stay right there, put the knife on the ground, let's talk about this. What's going on?
So the purpose of this scenario is to emphasize de-escalation and voice commands, actually interacting with the suspect.
Put the knife on the ground.
What have I done wrong?
Now listen, don't step any closer to me, I don't want to have to shoot you. Do me a favor, just put the knife on the ground.
I'm killing everyone.
Hey, don't take one more step towards me, I'm going to have to shoot you. Put the knife on the ground.
Everybody's gonna.
The whole thing seems so like hyper realistic. Being on this side, I know that's a fake gun, but hearing the shouting and everything when you're standing here trying to film it, it feels real.
You can see there's the shooter right there. You see all the other
Where's the
students
shooter
running
at?
through. There's Rob entering the
What's he
school right
wearing?
now. So you see here are some points here that are just pre-marked
Where's he
hiding
at?
spots. So we can have them go to hiding spots or hide in the classroom. There we go. See, got him again.
Did you take care of the threat? Did you injure anybody else? Did you pass?
You just got out of the helmet and you took care of the active shooter situation at a school twice. That's impressive. How realistic is it really?
You know, I grew up in the early days in law enforcement. We were yelling at TV screens. When you're in a VR environment, like that last one, because I know the current build, the shooter's very accurate. So I was nervous when I went around that corner because I heard the shot and it immediately had my heart racing. We're trying to make this as realistic as possible. And I can tell you, you'll find out yourself. When you get in there, it's a little nerve-wracking.
There's only one way to really answer that question, Dave. So you should.
I know I'm going to be terrified in there. How do I hold a gun? Like the 3D animation is showing.
I don't need you here.
Could you just drop that knife, please? Excuse me,
I'll
sir.
be you.
No, you're getting a little too close now. I'm the one with the gun. You have a knife.
I'm gonna put a bullet in you if you don't leave.
You don't have a knife. I have the gun. You have the knife. Okay, now what do? Can I shoot him?
Dave, you found your career in YouTube.
Verbal de-escalation is not my thing.
No, it's not. All right.
I'm still kind of shaking. That's like very real. That school shooting simulation where you go in as the police officer, completely mind-blowing. My heart still hasn't slowed down. Hey there, Dave here is now a daily.
You don't have time for that.